Michael's, and I thought I'd take you with me. Let's go take a look, guys. So I'm looking at their ribbons and their bows. Look how beautiful they are. And this one right here, guys, is burlap. That's burlap bow. And I think, no, that's not. That's just a glittery bow. But this one here is burlap, and that's $4.99. And I'm pretty sure if that's a regular price, you might be able to use a coupon, guys. And then here's the iridescent. So they have the curly ribbon. Look at this one in the rose gold, guys. So here's the silver, here is the gold, here's the rose gold, here's the glitter iridescent, and here is the regular white iridescent and the regular white. Those are really nice. Look at these. So then they have all of those, and then they have these long ones. And look at this. I didn't even realize they had baker's twine like this in a roll for $6.49. So this is baker's twine, guys. I'm just very impressed about that. This is regular curly ribbon right here. And then down here, these are like, what are these? These are decorative garlands. And they come in these colors right here, and they're all stars. Okay? And I'm just gonna go through the kind of gift wrapping tissue they have. Isn't that pretty, guys? I'm really liking that. And then you have the color ones here, and then they have all of their paper bags over here in this section, guys. You have your gift bags, the plastic ones, and the white with the white dots, and then you have the red dots, the green dots, and that blue. And I'm absolutely loving that one up there. Then these are your plain ones right here. And look at this. They have a roll of the jute twine for $4.49, 50 yards. 50 yards, guys. Then you have the roll of cellophane. Then here you have their rolls here. I'm loving that gold with the dots, and I'm loving these stripes right here. Then you have the tags up there, guys. That's pretty cool. These containers, and then you have those up there that look like paint cans. Then down here, guys, you have these are cardboard. They're $1.99 each, okay, in black, gold, the natural, and the gold and the white. Then you have the buckets here already in color, so this is $2.49. This pink here is $1.99, and the black is $1.99, the gold is $2. So they have those in colors, so that's pretty neat if you can use a coupon for it. And they have these tins. I never noticed these tins here before, guys. And then these, what I was talking to you before. Isn't this pretty? You can put so many stuff on there, and they even come as tiny as this one. So then they have those containers on the bottom. Look at them with the top. Those are really nice. So here's the cake boxes, or here's the gift boxes. And they range from $5.49, guys. They do come in black and that natural. Then the smaller they get, obviously the less they are, I think. Am I right? No, I'm not. So this box here is $3.49, but so is this one, because this one is a little bit smaller. So, and then actually this bigger one in white is $2.99. So you gotta like watch your prices. But look, they have all kinds of gift boxes in colors. Here's the metallic silver. Here's the white. Here's the natural. Okay. Here, look how tiny they come. Guys, they have all sizes. Then here is the gold, and there's the black. Here's your tape and your scissors, guys. I don't know. I've been buying scissors left and right. Then over here, you have your perfect parchment, and I think you cut these to size. Then you have your baking strips. Then you have these, the cake boards, and those come in different sizes. And these are the boxes, depending on the size that you need. And here are the stands. Guys, if these stands were cheaper, I could DIY with them. But there's your little pillars and your columns. Guys, this is all for professional baking. But you know, I'm really liking these, because if you can get these boards here, really nice to craft with. You get 4 of them in here, and they're $9.99. So, and they come in round, they come in all colors. And if you're allowed to use a coupon, you can get a good price for that, guys. Then you have some dowels. And some more columns and some baker's twine up there. And then look how pretty this is. This is a 50 piece. They look like, they are doilies, but look how tiny they are. I wonder if I can use that in a craft, guys. I think I'm gonna try in the silver. I'm gonna try this, see if I can use a coupon. And you have these like parchment envelopes. Those are good for cookies. And here's the treat boxes. And you have some more of these doilies, but these are shaped different. Aren't they shaped nice, guys? That's a pleasant change from what we normally see. And then you have your little treat bags with your little treat sticks. Okay, we have some paper shreds and the iridescent silver and the red. Then you have this icing decorating stuff. Okay, this is $8.97. Then you have this ice decorating the crowns and the monkeys and the flowers. Then you have your sprinkles and your little cups. Very, very cute, guys. Let's go in here. So opposite here, you're gonna see your baking dishes for your cakes in all sizes, guys. Look along the top here. You go from the smallest pan all the way to that huge one on the end, guys. I gotta show this to you up close. Look how huge that is. Wow, I can't even imagine. Then you have these humongous muffins. Guys, you have all your baking stuff over here. So then over here you have all of your attachments and utensils, humanly possible, that you may need to make your own professional cake, guys. Look at that. I'm just kind of scrolling through and showing you. I don't even know what half of this stuff is, guys. I'm just showing you. I just think it's really neat that they have this stuff. So here's your icing mix, your buttercream icing mix. And here's your fondant. It's a great taste roll, the fondant along the top. Then here you have your fondant. I guess these are in colors. So look at all the colors they have, guys. Okay. I'm just kind of scrolling through. Then here is your ready to roll fondant. And here is your meringue powder. Here you have your gum tacks, and here you have your cookie icing, and those come in colors, guys. And then you have your sparkling wine flavor. Here you have your flavors, like here's vanilla, and here's your butter vanilla, almond, red velvet, strawberry, blueberry. That's pretty neat. So then you have all your parchment papers and your icings, and then your carrying cases along the bottom. And here have your molds, guys. Look at all these molds that you have. That is so awesome, guys. Then you have your chocolates, your chocolate melts, and those come in all these colors, guys. Your cake decorating stuff too. Like, look at these little roses, guys. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Look at the muffin cups, and look at this, the little hearts, the edible glitter. They have such beautiful things, guys. It's the icing right here and all the decorating stuff. This one has watermelon, and look at the flamingos and the flowers along there. Isn't that gorgeous? So that's so nice. Then you have here along the bottom, you have some more sprinkles. Guys, this is so cute if you know how to do this stuff. Okay, beautiful. You have the bears and the butterflies and the flowers, the unicorns. You even have black and the googly eyes. You see the googly eyes, guys? Look at that. That is so cute. And then some more icing. I thought I'd show this to you guys because I'm never really in this section. Then you have the cake cutting out stuff for the fondant and look at this. It's so beautiful. It's so awesome, guys. And the cake, what is that? The cake mix? Yeah, they even have the cake mix right here. And they have the icing in the bucket. What is this? This is for making unicorn muffins. Muffins or cupcakes. Or both. All right, guys. Just thought I'd show you this. Thank you for coming with me to Michael's to take a look at the baking section. I'll see you in the next video.